how to use the same WhatsApp number on 2 phones or even 4 phones. So go to your WhatsApp which you didn't register, tap agree and continue, and then click these 3 dots, link devices, then you can scan this barcode on the other phones. So in this way I use iPhone and Android. On my iPhone I have already registered WhatsApp accounts, so I want to use both of them on iPhone and Android. So as you can see, now I am about to go to my iPhone and then open my WhatsApp. When I open it, then I go to setting. Inside this setting I go to link device. So when I enter here, it will, as you can see, I can scan this barcode. So after I scan it, as you can see, now all my information, all my data on my iPhone WhatsApp, it is transparent or copied to Android. So I'm going to show you how my chat on my iPhone is and how it is on Android now. So as you can see, I have only one chat, Apple Pocket Tech. So as you can see, they look the same as my iPhone and my Android. That is how you can connect it, 2 devices or 2 phones on the same WhatsApp number. So as you can see, there's another things which you have to consider is that you have to check how many devices connected to your WhatsApp. You agree with them? Have you give permission to connect? If no, then go to setting and go to link device and log out any devices that you didn't recognize or give permission to connect. So that is how you can protect your WhatsApp account from any malicious things or anyone that can spy on you. This is where you can protect yourself. Guys, this is how you can use it. But in my case, I tested that WhatsApp business. It doesn't work. If you have WhatsApp business on your iPhone or Android, it can't connect to use the same number. So you only use WhatsApp Messenger. Please guys, like this video, follow me for more videos and subscribe for more. Thank you.